Imagine a world much smaller than you think, not because the Earth has shrunk, oh no, but because we, humanity, found a new way to travel, faster, much, much faster. This isn't just science fiction anymore, folks. We are standing on the edge of something truly big. A new age of speed is dawning upon us, and one name keeps popping up: Elon Musk. He dreams of jets that don't just fly, they soar. They race across continents in mere hours. This dream of incredible speed is not new. Humans have always looked to the skies. We have always wanted to go faster, further, from the first hot air balloon to the Concorde. Each step was a leap for our species, but supersonic travel over land hit a wall of sound and a wall of rules. Now the silence of that frontier might be broken. Thanks to relentless innovators, the journey continues. Elon Musk is not just a dreamer, you see. He is a builder, a disruptor, a force of nature. When he sets his sights on something, things happen. Think about SpaceX. Think about Tesla. He sees a future and he pulls it towards us. Now he's looking at supersonic flight. So what's holding back this amazing future? One of the biggest hurdles is old rules. Specifically, a rule from the FAA in the USA. It's called 14 CFR 91.817, a rather dry name. But its impact is huge. It bans civil aircraft from flying faster than sound, faster than Mach 1 over the United States. This rule was made because of sonic booms, those loud, startling noises from older supersonic jets. Protecting people on the ground was the idea. Elon Musk, wearing his hat as a special advisor, and as the chief of SpaceX, a company reaching for stars, he has publicly called for a change, just a few months ago. Around March 2025, he spoke out very clearly. He called these FAA regulations outdated. He even said they were senseless in today's world. Why? Because technology has moved on, you see. We now have ways to fly supersonic much more quietly. Musk believes it's time for the rules to catch up. This isn't just talk, it's a serious push. This regulatory change is incredibly important. Let's talk about Boom Supersonic. A fitting name, right? They are one of the leading players in this new game. They are developing an airliner called Overture. This isn't your grandparents' jet. Oh no. Overture is designed for a top speed of Mach 1.7. That's 1.7 times the speed of sound. Fast enough to dramatically cut down travel times. But what about that pesky sonic boom problem? That's where Boom has something truly special. A breakthrough technology they call boomless cruise. This boomless cruise sounds like magic, doesn't it? But it's real science. Clever engineering. It allows the Overture jet to fly faster than sound. But here's the amazing part, without a loud boom on the ground. How do they do it? It's about altitude and physics. The technology uses something called the Mach cutoff principle. When Overture flies high over 30,000 feet, the sonic waves it creates behave differently. They are refracted, bent upwards into the atmosphere, so they don't reach us down here on the surface. This boomless cruise is most effective, they say, for speeds between Mach 1.1 and Mach 1.3. That's still significantly faster than current jets. Talk is one thing, but seeing is believing, right? Theories are great, experiments are better. Boom Supersonic didn't just dream up boomless cruise, they built a plane to prove it. A demonstrator, it's called the XB-1. Think of it as Overture's little sibling. And just a few months back, in early 2025, sometime around February or March to be more precise, the XB-1 took to the skies over the Mojave Desert. This was its moment of truth, its first supersonic flight, a critical test for the company and for the future. And what happened in that desert sky? The XB-1 performed beautifully. It exceeded expectations. It reached a speed of Mach 1.12. That's faster than the speed of sound, people. And it didn't just break the sound barrier once, it did it 3 times during these crucial tests. Each pass was a testament to its design. Each moment was a step closer to a new reality. The team must have been holding their breath. Then pure elation, I imagine. Now here's the really exciting part, the crucial detail. During these supersonic dashes by the XB-1, no sonic boom was detected on the ground, none. Think about that. So, we have these incredible new jets being designed, jets that can fly faster than sound, quietly. But there's another piece to this puzzle, a piece that Elon Musk is also deeply involved with. It's about staying connected, even at incredible speeds. Imagine flying at Mach 1.7, you'd still want good internet, right? For work, for fun, and the pilots need it for crucial data. This is where SpaceX's Starlink comes into play, a constellation of satellites providing internet from orbit. Starlink is already changing how we connect. It offers high-speed, low-latency internet. Latency is that annoying delay you see. Starlink minimizes it, which is vital for fast movers. This makes it perfect for these advanced aircraft. And guess what? It's already been tested. Around late 2024, a Starlink terminal was put on a jet. A T-38 prototype jet used by Boom Supersonic. This T-38 is a chase plane for the XB-1 tests. They flew it at nearly the speed of sound, Mach 0.95. The results of that Starlink test? Impressive. The connection worked. High-speed data flowed, even as the jet was zipping through the sky. Let's dream a little. What if these rules change? What if quiet supersonic flight becomes common? The impact on our world could be enormous. Remember the Concorde? A beautiful machine. But it was never allowed to fly supersonic over US land. That severely limited its routes and its potential. We don't want to repeat that limitation. If regulations like 14 CFR 91.817 are updated, as Elon Musk and Boom's CEO Blake Scholl advocate, a whole new map of travel possibilities opens up. Think about domestic flights in the United States. Los Angeles to New York is a long haul now. But with Boom's Overture jet, for example, that travel time could be cut by 90 minutes. Imagine that. 90 extra minutes in your day. That's significant for business, for leisure, for life. And it's not just one route, it's many. Coast-to-coast travel could be transformed, making the country feel smaller, more connected. That's the power of speed when used wisely. And what about international travel? New routes could become practical. Chicago to London, for instance. Faster, more direct flights, less time in the air. Journeys that once took many, many hours. Now, it's not just private companies pushing boundaries. Our very own NASA is also hard at work, exploring the future of supersonic flight. They have a project with a very cool name, the X-59 Quest. That stands for Quiet Supersonic Technology. NASA is collaborating with Lockheed Martin on this one, another giant in the world of aerospace. The X-59 is a special research aircraft. It's designed to fly at Mach 1.4. And at high altitudes up to 55,000 feet. The main goal of NASA's X-59 project is fascinating. It's all about that sonic boom again, but their approach is to make it much, much quieter. Not to eliminate it completely like Boomless Cruise aims for, but to reduce its intensity, its loudness. So instead of a startling boom, you might only hear a gentle thump, hardly noticeable perhaps, like distant thunder, or the closing of a car door down the street. This research is vital for understanding public acceptance. The X-59 project has been making good progress. It achieved its first engine start in November 2024. That's a big milestone for any new aircraft. So, let's bring it all together. What do we see? We see a future taking shape before our very eyes, a future where air travel is dramatically different, faster, quieter, more connected than ever before. Elon Musk's vision and his relentless push for regulatory change, for technological advancement, are acting as powerful catalysts in this transformation. He's not just building rockets to go to Mars, he's also thinking about how we move around Earth, and he's inspiring others to dream big too. We are witnessing a remarkable convergence of technologies. There's the development of Boomless Cruise by Boom, and NASA's research into quiet thump sonic signatures. These are tackling the noise problem head-on. Then there's the enabling power of Starlink, providing the high-speed connectivity these jets need. It's like all the pieces of a complex puzzle are finally starting to click into place. Each innovation builds upon the others, creating a synergy that accelerates progress for all. How could these advancements reshape our world? Think beyond just shorter flight times. Consider the economic impacts. New industries, new jobs,